Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Asomia. বন্ধুসকল আজি আমি ভাৰতৰ 10টা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট GK আলোচনা কৰিম। ফাৰ্স্ট হৈছে who is recognized as the greatest Mauryan king? Answer Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was a ruler of Iron Age, South Asia, who expanded a geographically extensive kingdom based in Magadha and founded the Maurya dynasty. Question number 2. Name the founder of the Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya, who is also known as the Napoleon of India. Samudragupta. Samudragupta was the second emperor of the Gupta Empire of ancient India and one of the greatest rulers in Indian history, as a son of the Gupta Emperor Chandragupta. Question 4. Who is the founder of Pala dynasty? Answer King Gopala. King Gopala was the founder of the Pala dynasty of Bihar and Bengal regions of the Indian subcontinent, 750 to 770 century. Question number 5. Which famous traveler visited India during Harshavardhan's reign? Answer Huansang. Question number 6. What is the name of first Sultan of Khilji dynasty? Jalaluddin Khilji. Jalaluddin Khilji, also known as Firuzal-Din Khilji or Jalaluddin Khilji, was the founder and first Sultan of the Khilji dynasty that ruled the Delhi Sultanate from 1290 to 1320. Question number 7. Which period in the Indian history is known as the Golden Age? Gupta period. The Gupta Empire was an ancient Indian empire which existed from the early 4th century CE to late 6th century CE. At its zenith from approximately 319 to 467 CE, it covered much of the Indian subcontinent. This period is considered as the golden age of India by historians. Okay. Question number 8. Who was the founder of the holy city of Amritsar? Guru Ram Das. Guru Ram Das was the fourth of the 10 gurus of Sikh. He was born on 24th September 1534 in a family based in Lahore. His birth name was Jetha. Question number 9. The first Muslim invasions of India was led by? Answer Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim was known by Laqab Imad-e-Din. He was a military commander of the Umayyad Caliphate and led the Muslim conquest of Multan and Sindh from the last Hindu ruler Raja Dahir in a conflict with Alor. Today's last question. Who introduced railways in India? Lord Dalhousie. The country's first passenger train, which ran between Bombay's Boribandar station and Thane on 16 April 1853, was dedicated by Lord Dalhousie. আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানে আছিল। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগে লাইক কমেণ্ট আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু ইয়াত হোৱা ভুল ত্ৰুটিৰ বাবে ক্ষমা কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।